My name's Andy Dufresne. I've worked for Goff's 2 years this coming up September. My position here is repair planner. What that sets Goff's apart from other body shops is the organization and the level of detail that we have to go into to make sure that we turn out a quality product at the end of the day. What I do is, car comes in, gets pre-washed for me, and then I receive it and go through the estimate and carefully check over everything that's on there just to make sure that nothing was missed. And then I'd go into tearing it apart or taking everything off that needs to be taken off. And from there, I go into the supplement or the estimating system and put in supplements and add anything else that needs to be added that wasn't previously caught. This ensures that when it comes to time to put the car back together after paint and body work and everything else, that the car is ready to go and will go that day without having any missed parts or broken clips, fasteners, etc. I really enjoy working for Goff's. It's a great body shop to work in.